Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new to my channel, I am simplikeii. So really quick, really quick, I want to bring you guys a unboxing. So this is my first time subscribing to Curlbox. I had Curl Kit maybe 3 years ago, and I found what worked for my hair, so I just didn't need the products. But I have currently went back to another natural hair subscription service, and it being Curlbox, because I've watched them in the past. I've seen good reviews on them, so I know they're pretty dope. So this is my first Curlbox, and no, it did not come tore like this. I actually tore the box, and it actually came safe. This is another thing I like about them, which will probably be one of the reasons I stay subscribed to them. They not only had my products in this box, but they also had it in another brown box to kind of like secure it. I guess keep people from being nosy. But I really liked it. So yes, let's get into what's in the box. So when you open the box, you have these little pamphlets and things in here. So this is the February 2019, the birthday box, Curl box. And that's the picture. And it has this here, and it says, "Hey Curl friend, tell us what you think. Each month we pick a random winner or of a secret prize if you tag us." This is all, I guess this is all the products that come in the box. So they're giving you a sealing oil, a moisture butter, what else? We'll get into it, but so far this is what I see when I open it. And all these products are from African Pride. So what they typically try to do is send you full-size items, and I'll read this later, but yeah. So it's wrapped like this in black tissue paper that I might reuse. So when you open it, you have this African Pride. I think this is a headscarf. Let's see. I think this is a headscarf. Yeah, it's definitely a headscarf. So you have this cute African Pride headscarf that I'm definitely gonna use. Although my daughter assumed that it was a headscarf and she been trying to get it, but that's not gonna happen. So upon opening, I see this prep and leave-in moisture butter. What's the consistency? Okay, it's like a I don't even know how to describe the consistency, but it's not a bad consistency. It feels like it has a little slip in it, like it could be moisturizing. Then we have this braid lock and twist gel. This will come in handy because I am getting my hair flat iron, but I do, once I get tired of it being flat iron, I do plan on putting some twist in it. So this will work out really good. Then you have this heat protectant spray, which I think will come in handy definitely, because we do blow out my daughter's hair a lot, well at least once a month, for her to get braids and stuff. Then you have this hair and scalp sealing oil. And last but not least, oh well, there was one more thing in there. You have hold and cover edges, and it's in the color black. Okay. And they gave me this edge brush. So that was really neat. I'm going to use that edge brush because I'm learning how to swoop my edges. Yes, I know what y'all saying. Key, you always say you didn't have baby hairs. That's why I didn't call them baby hairs. I called them edges. I'm trying to swoop my edges, not my baby hairs. She too grown to have baby hairs. Okay. All right. So yeah, that is the unboxing of my Curlbox. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope to bring you more future Curlboxes. I really did this because I just don't have the time to go out and select hair products every month. she don't have time to do that like right now. And typically most of these products are for my daughter because I go get my hair braided at least every 2 to 3 months anyway, so my hair never sees this stuff anyway, but my daughter does. But I may use a few of them, so we shall see. But yes, I am about to get out of here. Remember, if nobody told you you're beautiful, remember, Simply Key will always tell you you're beautiful because you simply are. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.